Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Yaris. Whether you're interested in the 5-door or 3-door model, the Yaris offers a sleek design, plenty of interior space, and standard side and side curtain airbags, as well as vehicle stability control. Named 2010 Best Overall Value of the Year by IntelliChoice.com, you simply can't go wrong with a Yaris. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.